Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're talking tire pressure monitoring systems. So what this does, just gives us a unit on the dash. It's USB and it's also solar charging. We chose to mount it down with Velcro. We'll show you that. And then we're going to install, based on the manual, we've got a little wrench and a whole bunch of tire sensors to install. So we're going to go follow the directions. Going to pull out number one. And we're going to show you how to install it. And we're also going to make sure our unit's on. So there you see it blinking. And they say you put the driver's front on first. So let's go install that. We'll show you how that's done. And then this should pick it up. We should see it. So first we're going to take off the cap. Going to put on what they call the safety nut. It's basically a lock nut. And then we're going to put the sensor on. And it's sensor number one. And they say go around clockwise. So there it's on. Gonna just snug it up good. Then they say bring this up. Gave you a little wrench. You can hold on here and snug that. And that should be it. Now we should be able to go inside and see our sensor working for this one. So here you can see we've got it in and it's reading in bar right now. Later we'll show you how to change it to pounds. So let's go put another one on another tire. We'll work our way around. So there you go. We are set up now and you can see that everything is reading about the same, which is good. The next thing I got to do is I got to switch this to PSI because I want to see the PSI. All right, you can see that we switched it to PSI. Our maximum tire pressure is 80. We're up near the maximum. We might lower them a little, but let's see how it works out. We can always adjust them. But there you go, easy as pie. It was easy to put. You held the set button down till it beeped. Then you pushed set 4 times to get the P4. And then you pushed OK and pushed set to change it to Fahrenheit. And then you push the return key to exit. So it's pretty cool. All the switches are right here on the side, so it's pretty easy. There you can see it on the dash. When it's bright sun like this, it is actually hard for me to see, but I think it'll be easy for me to see when I'm driving. Plus, my co-pilot can always see it. So there you go. Don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Piece of cake. This is very nice. Let's take this little plastic cover off. It does solar charge. I think see there, it says it's solar charging, so that's pretty good. You can also keep it plugged in either way. But nice device. Biggest thing on motorhomes, you notice a front tire getting low. When a dual's getting low, you don't know it. It generates heat and blows your tire. Been there, done that, and ruined a bin and a few jacks that way. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the Amazon links below to help support the channel. Thank you very much.